Good evening, dear students. Welcome to Infinity Learn Mathematics in a Simple Way. In this video, we are going to learn the 3 marks problems on 3-dimensional geometry that will be asked in part C, question number 47. So, these are the very important problems. So, let us solve the what problems. First problem, find the equation of the plane. Find the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the plane. Observe here, listen here. Find the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the planes. Intersection of the planes 3x minus and x plus 2. 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0. X plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. And the point. And the points are given here. Yes. First we have to write the let the given equation of planes are right. Right solution. Let the given equation of planes are P1. First equation of plane is what? P1. 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0. Second is what? P2. X plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to what? 0. Yes. First we have to write the given equation of the planes. Next, after that, it's very easy. See here, find the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the planes. We know that equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the planes. We know that equation of plane passing through the intersection of plane. Passing through the intersection of planes. Intersection of planes is P1 plus lambda into P2 is equal to what? 0. P1 plus lambda into P2 is equal to what? 0. ये अदर को छोड़ो. Intersection of plane means what? P1 plus P2 lambda 2 is equal to 0. Remember this one. Intersection of the plane word बंतप्पा तंद्रे ना इन्हें नेपड़बेको P1 plus lambda into P2 is equal to 0. जब भी intersection of plane करको word आया तो उस टाइम में हमें क्या याद रखना? P1 plus lambda into P2 is equal to what? 0. After writing this one, write the value of P1, that is equation of the plane P1. This one, that is 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus then P2 lambda as it is. What is P2 here? X plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to what? 0. Is equal to what? 0. So this is the first step and call this as equation 1. It is what? Equation 1. Yes. Equation 1. Now it's very simple. See here. This is 3x minus y plus 2z. And one more thing. Since these plane of intersections of the plane is passing through the what? Points. Yes. This is was intersection of the plane and it passes through the points. Yes. It passes through the points. It passes through the points. It passes through the point 2, 2, 1. 2, 2, 1 means this is the value of x, y, z. So wherever x and y and z are there, put here. This one is what? 3 into 2 minus y means what? 2 plus 2 into 1 minus 4 plus lambda into the bracket. X means what? 2. Y means what? 2. Z means what? 1 minus 2 is equal to what? 0. Yes. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 minus 2 plus 2 minus 4 plus lambda 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 1 what? 5 5 minus 2 is equal to what? 0. Yes. Now minus 2 plus 2 cancel. 6 minus 4 is what? 2. 6 minus 4 is what? 2 plus 5 minus 2 means what? 3. 3 into lambda. 3 lambda is equal to what? 0. Now lambda is equal to minus 2 by 3. minus 2 by 3. The value of lambda is nothing but minus 2 by 3. Put the value of lambda in equation 1 and simplify. Put lambda is equal to minus 3 by 2 in equation 1. Next step I am writing here. Put lambda is equal to minus 3 by 2 in equation 1. What is equation 1 here? 3x minus y plus 2z. Right here 3x minus y 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus the value of lambda is nothing but here minus 3 by 2. The value of lambda is what? See here, in the place of this lambda, this is plus lambda, this is what? Plus lambda, and the value of lambda is what here? Minus 3 by 2. This plus into minus is what? Minus. This sign will be changed here, minus 3 by 2. I am clearly showing you how the sign will be changed. This is plus lambda, and the value of lambda is what? Minus 3 by 2. Plus into minus, minus. That is minus 3 by 2. Then write this equation as it is. That is x plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to what? 0. Now it's very simple. Multiply 3 into this, into this, into this. Yes? Now 2 into 3, 2 into y, 2 into 2, 2 into 4. Then this 3 into this 2. Yes? It's very simple. Only multiplication is there. Yes? So clear. See here. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are how much? 6. X as it is. 2 into y, 2y. 2 into 2z, 4z. 2 4s are 8 minus 8. Yes? 2 4s are minus. 2 3s are 6. 2 into y, 2y. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Next, minus 3 into x, 3x. 3 into y, minus into plus, minus 3y. Yes? Minus 2y, 2 3s are 6. Minus 2 by 3. Yes, see here it is minus 2 by 3. Make the correction. Minus 2 by 3. Yes? Make it correction, please. Yes? Make it correction. I did the mistake here. The value of lambda is what? Minus 2 by 3. Yes? Now see here. 3 3s are 9x. 3 into y, 3y. 3 2s are 6z. 3 4s are 12. Yes? Make it correction. Huh? I did the mistake here. Lambda is what? Minus 2 by 3. Yes? Minus 2 by 3. Yes? Minus 2 into x. Minus 2x. Minus 2y. Minus 2z. Minus into minus. Plus 4 is equal to 0. Now use the concept of algebra. Like terms can be added or subtracted. What are the like terms here? 9x minus 2x is what? 7x. 9x minus 2x is what? 7x. Minus 3y minus 2y is what? Minus 5y. 6z minus 2z is what? Plus 4z. Minus 12 plus 4 is what? Minus 8 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the plane. In this way you have to solve the what problem, so that you will get the what? 3 out of 3 marks for this type of the problem. And one more thing, it is very important problem because it has been asked for 4 times in the annual examination for 3 marks. March 2022, March 2020, July 2018, March 2018. Yes, in this way you have to very carefully multiply with the what? Plus and minus and numbers. Yes, so you people are committing the mistake only in the what? Plus and minus. These are what? Your 4 friends from childhood to what? Your till end of your mathematics education. Yes. The next second question, find the shortest distance between the line. It is also very important. So here find the shortest distance between the line. Here the question will be asked of 3 different type. Yes, based on the what? Shortest distance between the line. Here the lines will be given in vector form or in Cartesian form. It is what? 2 types. And another one is what? Find the distance between the parallel lines. If it is mentioned in the parallel lines, you have to use the what? Different formula for this one. And if it is not mentioned, it is parallel line, means it is not mentioned the parallel line. At that time you have to identify the parallel line, this and this. If these two are same, then the lines are what? parallel. Yes. For this one, write the first step solution from this one given equation of lines. Write the equation of lines first. I am writing there only. Solution r is equal to I plus 2j plus k lambda into I minus j plus k, and r is equal to 2i minus j minus k plus mu is equal to 2i plus j plus 2k. Now this one is, I am taking this one is what, a1, vector a1, this is what, a2, and this is what, b1, and this is what, b2. Yes, write the vectors here. A1 is equal to what, I plus 2j plus k, and a2 is equal to what, 2i minus j minus k, and b1 is equal to I minus j plus k, and b2 is equal to 2i plus j plus 2k. Yes, first we have to write the separate a1, a2, b1, b2. Yes, then afterwards we have to find the what. First we must know the what formula. What is the formula? Shortest distance between the lines, right? Shortest distance, we know that shortest distance between the lines. First we must know the what, this formula. D is equal to mod of b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1 divided by mod of b1 cross b2. So this is the formula. According to this formula, we have to calculate the what first, b1 cross b2 and its mod, then a2 minus a1. Yes, then after calculating these value, put in the what formula. Yes, look at first we will do the what, a2 minus a1. Now a2 minus a1 is equal to vector a2 minus a1 is equal to, see here I am directly doing here. It's very simple. See here, this is a2 and this is what, a1. Keep the minus sign in between here only. 2i minus I is what, I. 2i minus I. See the, pay your focus and attention here. 2i minus I is what, I. Minus j minus 2j. Minus into plus is what, minus. Minus j minus 2j is what, minus 3j. Yes. Minus k minus into plus is what, minus. Minus k is what, minus 2k. So this is what your a2 minus a1. Yes. Now we have to calculate the what, b1 cross b2. How will you calculate? By using determinant method. Yes. So I will write this one, b1 cross b2 in this part. Yes. b1 cross b2 is equal to, first row I, j, k, and this problem is asked in the what, September 2020 and March 2017. I forgot to tell. Yes, March 2017. First, see here, b1 cross b2. Observe here, b1 cross b2, and write on the first row plus minus plus sign. Plus minus plus. Yes, plus minus plus. And what are the coefficients of vector b1? Coefficient of I is what? 1, minus 1 and plus 1. Yes. Then 2, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2. Yes. Next after that plus I into the bracket, leave the first column and first row. Minus 1 into 2 is what? Minus 2. 1 into 1. Lower to upper always minus sign. 1 into 1 is what? 1. Yes. Now leave the what? Second column, first row. Second column, first row. Yes. 1 into 2. Minus j. 1 into 2. 2. 2 into this one. 1 into 2 and this one. Minus 2. Yes. Now last Leave the last column and first row. Now leave the last column, that is plus k into 1 into 1, 1, 2 into minus 1 is what? 1 minus and this minus plus 2. Yes? Getting the things or not? Yes, it's very easy. Minus 3i minus 2 minus 1 is what? Minus 3 into I minus 3i. 2 minus 2 is what? 0 plus 0j, right? 0j. Yes? Plus 3k. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. This one is what? B1 cross B2. Yes? Then mod of B1 cross B2 is equal to square root of mod of B1 cross B2 minus 3 square plus 0 square plus 3 square. Then mod of B1 cross B2 is equal to root of 3 square means what? 9. 0 square means what? 0. This one is 9. B1 cross B2 root 18. Root 18 can be written 9 into 2. Nine into 2, square root of 9 is what? 3 root 2. Root 2. This is what? B1 cross B2 and this is what? B1 cross B2. So these three values, this one A2 minus A1 and this one put in the formula. Put in the what? Formula. Yes. Now come to this part. Shall I rub this part? Now therefore D is equal to, substitute the value of what? B1 cross B. D is equal to B1 cross B2. That is D is equal to, what is the value of B1 cross B2? Minus 3i plus 0j plus 3k. That is what? B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 means what? I minus 3j minus 2k divided by mod of B1 cross B2 is nothing but 3 root 2. 3 root 2. Now apply the dot product in the numerator. I dot I1 minus 3 into 1 is what? Minus 3. 0 into 3 is what? 0. K dot K1 plus into minus, minus it is 6. Divided by what? 3 root 2. That is equal to minus 3 minus 6 is what? 9 minus 9 divided by 3 root 2. 3 ones are 3 3s are. Then D is equal to what? 3 by root 2. D is equal to what? 3 by root 2. So this is the what? Final answer. D is equal to what? 3 by root 2. Remove the mod. Minus sign will be what? Removed. Remove this mod. Minus 5 will become what? Plus. Clear? Next problem. Find the vector equation of the plane that passes through the 3 points 2, 5, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, 5 and 5, 3, minus 3. This question has been asked in the year March 2019 for 3 marks. Write the solution. Given points are 2, 5, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, 5 and 5, 3, minus 3. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3. Yes, we know that Cartesian equation of the plane, we know that Cartesian equation of the plane We know that Cartesian equation of the plane passing through three non-collinear points. Passing through three non-collinear points. Three non-collinear points is write the formula x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Yes, x2 minus x1, x3 minus x1, y2 minus y1, y3 minus y1, z2 minus z1, z3 minus z1 is equal to what? 0. Is equal to what? 0. Now write the values according to this formula. Yes. That is equal to, that is equal to x as it is. X minus x1 means what? 2. Y minus y1 means what? 5. Z minus z1 means what? Minus this minus and this minus plus 3. Yes. Now x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 2. Yes. Y2 minus y1 minus 3 minus 5. Z2 minus z1 5 minus and this minus plus 5 plus 3. Are you getting or not? See here, z2 minus z1. The value of z2 is what? 5. Minus and z1 is what? Minus. Minus this minus and this minus is what? Plus. Yes, that is plus 3. Then x3 minus x1 5 minus 2. 3 minus 5. Next, minus 3 and this minus plus. Minus 3 plus 3 is equal to what? 0. Yes, I am writing the further steps here. Next part of the solution of the problem is what? Here, x minus 2. Therefore, x minus 2, y minus 5, z plus 3. Yes, minus 2 is what? Minus 4. Minus 3 minus 5 is what? Minus 8. 5 plus 3 is what? Plus 8. 5 minus 2 is what? 3. 3 minus 5 is what? Minus 2. Minus 3 plus 3 is what? 0. Now expanding along the what? R1. Expanding along what? R1. Yes. Put the sign here. Plus for this minus and plus. This one x minus 2 into, leave the first row and first column. 8 into 0 is what? 0. Minus lower to upper multiply is what? Minus. Minus and this minus is what? Plus. 2 8 is 16. Yes. Leave the words second column and first row. 4 into 0. This is minus y minus 5. Minus 4 into 0 is what? 0. 3 8 is minus 24. Next, leave the what? Third column. Yes. Z plus 3 plus Z plus 3 into 4 2s are minus into minus. Minus into minus. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 3 8s are minus and this minus here. Minus minus plus. 3 8s are 24 is equal to what? 0. Is equal to what? 0. Now x minus 2 16, y minus 5, 0 minus 24 is nothing but minus 24. Yes. Z plus 3, 8 plus 24 is what? 32 is equal to what? 0. Is equal to what? 0. Now multiplication is there only. Rest of the solution is what? X into 16 is what? 16x. 2 into 16 is what? Minus 32. Yes. 16 into 2. 32 plus into minus minus 32. Yes, this minus y here minus y into minus plus 24y. Yes, minus into minus plus 5 plus into minus minus 5 for the 20 to carry forward 5 to the 10, 10 plus 2 is what, 12, that is 120. Yes, that is minus 120. See here, minus into this minus 5 is what, plus 5, minus into minus 5 is what, plus 5, plus 5 into minus 24 is nothing but minus 120. Yes, then plus z into 32, 32 z, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, that is 96. Now 16x plus 24y plus 32z. I am writing the what? The terms containing the variables one side. The terms which containing the what? Variable, that is what? 16x, 24y, 32z. Now after that minus 32 minus 120 plus 96. Minus 32 and minus 122 is how much? Minus 152 plus 96 is equal to 0. Now 16x plus 24y plus 32z. Subtract this one. What you will get? 56 is equal to 0. Minus 56. Because minus sign is what? Minus value is bigger here. Minus 56 is equal to what? 0. Now 16x, right? Last step. Take 8 is common. 8 is what? Common. See here. 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 7s are 56. Take 8 common. 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 7 is equal to what? 0. This 8 goes to the right side. 0 by 8 is what? 0. Yes. Now 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 7 is equal to 0 divided by 8 is what? 0. This 8, don't get confused. 8 it divides to the what? 0. ये 8 जो है नहीं किसे डिवाइड करता? 0 को. ये तो 8 ये लोग तो 15. 0 by 8 is what? 0. Now 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 7 is equal to 0. Yes, right. Therefore 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 7. Is equal to what? 7. Hence the vector equation of the plane is given by, I am writing this one final answer here. I will rub this part here and I will write the last steps here. Hence the vector equation of the plane is, therefore vector equation of the plane is only put r dot into the bracket, write this equation. 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to what? 7. Sorry, 2i plus 3j plus 4k is equal to 7. Replace x, y, z by I, j, k. Because vector form means what? X will become what? I, y will become what? J, z will become what? K. If it is in Cartesian equation means we have to write in terms of x, y, z. So which is the required equation of the plane. Yes, next question. Find the vector and Cartesian equations. Vector and Cartesian equations of the plane which passes through the point. See here points are given 5, 2, minus 4 and it is perpendicular to the line with the direction ratios 2, 3, minus 1. Write the solution. Given points 5, 2, minus 4, that is x, y, z. We can say x, y, z. So it is converted into the what? vector A is equal to 5i plus 2j minus 4k. The points is converted into the what? Vector A. That is A is equal to what? 5i plus 2j plus 5i plus 2j minus 4k. Then the given direction ratios 2 comma 3 comma minus 1, and it is written in the what? Normal vector, that is n is equal to 2i plus 3j minus k. The given points can be written in terms of the what? Vector A, that is 5 is given, it will become what? 5ui, 2 will become what? 2j, 4 will become what? 4k, and the direction ratios 2 comma 3 comma minus 1, it can be written in the what? Normal vector. N is equal to what? 2i, 2 will become what? 2i, 3 will become what? 3j, minus 1 will become what? Minus k. Yes, right? The equation of the plane, first write vector form. Write the vector form. First one. We know that equation of the plane in vector form that is r minus a dot n is equal to what? 0. This is the formula, that is r minus a dot n is equal to what? 0. This r as it is, what is the value of a? I means what here? 5i plus 2j minus 4k dot n means what? This one, 2i plus 3j minus k. Yes, is equal to what? 0. Yes, which is the required equation in vector form. Only just simplify, put the values, which is the required equation of the plane in vector form. Which is required equation of plane in vector form, which is required equation of plane in vector form. Now we have to find the what? Second, Cartesian form. Second one, Cartesian form. Second one is what? Cartesian form, right? We know that Cartesian form of the equation of the plane, Cartesian form of equation of plane a into the bracket x minus x1 plus b into the bracket y minus y1 plus c into the bracket z minus z1 is equal to 0. Sorry, this one is what? Small a b c is equal to what? 0. What is the value of a here? 2. The direction ratios are nothing but a b c. Yes, this we are using here. See here, this is a means what here? 2, b means what? 3, c means what? Minus 1. A means what? 2 here. X minus x1 means what? 5. Plus b means what here? 3. Y minus y1 means what? 2. Plus c means what here? Minus 1. Z minus z1. Z minus and this minus. This is what? Plus 4. Equal to what? 0. Yes. Now simplify it, you will get the what? Answer. Simplify it and tell me the answer. Simplify it. 2 into x, 2x 2 5s are 10, 3 into y, 3y, 3 2s are 6, plus into minus, minus 1 into z minus 4 is equal to what? 0. Write the term containing variable one side, 2x plus 3y minus z minus 10 minus 6 minus 4 is what? Minus 20 is equal to what? 0. Yes, which is the required equation of the plane in Cartesian form. Which is required equation of plane in Cartesian form. In Cartesian form. Yes, in Cartesian form. So this is the word solution of this problem. You have to solve in this manner. You will get the word 3 marks. The next problem, it is also very important problem. As I told you, the what? Find the distance between the line. Solving at that time. Find the distance between the lines L1 and L2 given by r is equal to I plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda into 2i plus 3j plus 6k and r is equal to 3i plus 3j minus 5k plus mu into 2i plus 3j plus 6k. See here, observe here, in the equation of given equation of line, these two things are same. Yes. If these two are same, then the lines are what? Parallel. So we are writing this one, b is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 6k. Yes. Now write the solution. Given equation of lines as it is up to here, first write. Given equation of lines, write these two lines. R is equal to I plus, I am not writing again. In the question only I am writing the word solution here. R is equal to I plus 2j minus 4k, right up to here. From here to here first. Yes. Afterwards, see here, observe, this and this are what? Same. Then the lines are called as what? Parallel lines. And then that we are writing commonly, b is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 6k. And this one is what? A1 and this one is what? A2. A1 is equal to I plus 2j minus 4k and A2 is equal to 3i plus 3j minus 5k. Yes. First write these two lines as it is. Solution, given equation of lines are r is equal to and r is equal to. Then afterward compare, see, observe here. Yes. If it is two are same, then write commonly b is equal to what? 2i plus 3j plus 6k, because these two lines are what? Parallel. And this one is what? A1 and this one is what? A2. Yes. We know that, and do it A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 is equal to, A2 minus A1 is equal to, see here, I am writing directly here, 3i minus I, 2i, 3j minus 2j plus j, minus 5 minus plus 4. See here, 3i minus I is what? 2i, 3j minus 2j is what? Minus into plus is what? Minus. That is plus j, minus 5 minus, and this minus is what? Plus 4. Minus 5 plus 4 is what? Minus 1 into k is what? Minus k. This is A2 minus A1. And calculate the what? Mod of b is equal to, mod of b is equal to square root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. Then mod of b is equal to 2 square is what? 4 plus 9 plus 36. Then mod of b is equal to what? 49. Square root of 49 is nothing but 7. Yes. Solve up to here. Then we know that distance between the parallel lines, we know that distance between the line, distance between the line D is equal to A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1 cross B divided by mod of B, divided by what? Mod of B. Yes. So what we have to do now? A2 minus A1 cross B. Yes. Right up to here. Pause the video and note it down. So because I am rubbing this part to calculate the what? A2 minus A1 cross B. Therefore, A2 minus A1, we have to calculate first this part. We have calculated the what? A2 minus A1 and B we know. So we have to calculate this part. A2 minus A1 cross B. Therefore, A2 minus A1 cross B1 is equal to I, J, K determinant method again. What is the value of A2 minus A1? 2, 2, 1, minus 1. What is the value of B? 2, 3, 6. That is equal to, right on the first row, plus, minus, plus. Plus, minus, plus. That is I into. Leave the first row and first column. 1 into 6, 6. 3 ones are 3. 6 minus, and this minus is what? Plus 3. Minus J into, right. Leave the what? Second column and first row. 2 6 are 12. 2 ones are 2. 12 plus 2 plus K into the bracket. Leave the what? Third column and first row. 2 3s are 6. 2 ones are 2. 6 minus 2. Then I into 6 plus 3, 9. 9 into I. 9I. Yes. Minus 12 plus 2 is what? 14. 14 into J. 14J. 6 minus 2 is what? 4. 4 into K. 4K. This is the value of what? A2 minus A1 cross B1. Cross B1. Put this value in the formula. Write this value. Yes, in the formula. Therefore, now calculate its mod. Its mod is also we have to calculate. Its mod. Therefore, mod of A2 minus A1 cross B1 is equal to square root of 9 square plus minus 14 square plus 4 square. 9 square is what? 81 plus 1. 14 square is how much? 196 or how much? 14 square. 196 plus 16. How much? How much it is? Root 293. Root 293. Now write here directly. This one is what? Mod. In the formula it is mod. Yes. Now D is equal to what? Root of 293 by 7. So this is the what? Distance between the what? Parallel lines. Yes. Distance between the what? Parallel lines. I hope you are getting the what? Solution. So these are the what? Very important problems we did today on the 3-dimensional geometry. So remaining problem we will do tomorrow. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share, subscribe my channel.